Good morning, everyone. My name is LG, and I'm the owner proprietor for this YouTube channel, Fluidity FX, and just going to be showing you how I go about marking up my charts and for the trading week, what I've just recently discovered, however. So I'll be just showing you some stuff that maybe will help to improve your trading, hopefully. Um, After seeing this video, you can like, share, comment. I'm just actually starting and getting fully invested into creating videos or forex content. So yeah, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. So basically, this line that I just drew, from my perspective, is that coming from the weekly time frame, we can see that we're in a downward trending market pretty much. So the weekly, which is a higher time frame, is showing you that the markets are moving down, right? So as shown, we have our um, downward trend line here, and as we go back to the daily, we are basically looking for downward propelling moves. So so what I'm proposing is that the most important trend lines to catch in downward trending markets are upward or ascending trend lines. So basically, when you have an ascending trend line, you will find that price is supported by this trend line until it is broken. So what we want to see happen is after that trend line is broken, we get a pullback, and then you'll be looking to continue that downward trend. So that's the basis of it. So these boxes that you see, green represents support areas, and this is how I color code my system. So whenever there's a low, the box will have green fill, and how I know the difference between my time frames is that for this box where I use a purple outline to make me aware that this support area is coming from the weekly time frame. For this second box, I'll have a blue outline to let me know that this support area is coming from the daily time frame. So that helps me keep track of my different time frames rather than have to be going back and forth all the time to see what the high on my high time frames basically. So as I mentioned earlier about catching these upward ascending, or these ascending trend lines rather. So here we go. This is now the 4-hour, and we'll have this ascending trend line here. And I'm pretty sure that you'll catch on to the purpose of why I'm doing this. And I'll now turn on the candlesticks, and you can see all these rejections. So this blue line is from the daily time frame, and we can see where it was broken. This upward trend line was broken basically, and this sometimes leads to a fake out. So when I move to the lower time frame chart and got this 4-hour trend line, it is basically being used so as a means of confirmation to say, well, then after this trend line is broken in conjunction with the daily trend line, then we can basically be more certain of having a down or further continuation of this downward trending market. Here we go, note one out again. And we'll see that our most recent low on the 1-hour was this area. So I'll put a support and draw a support area on this circle here. Right here. And I can also catch a small trend line here in this here. And my outline for this now. Well, you can choose whichever outline you choose. These are my preferences. And we can move into our 30 minute. And just for disclaimer, this video is by no means financial to aid in your financial decisions. This is just my perspective on how I see the markets. So just get that disclaimer out there. And this area on the 30 minutes, this is the lowest low. The lowest time frame that I like to use is the 30 minutes. So we can look for this area as a target area and take profits. So I've already entered this trade actually, and I'm going to put my entry points on here. So this is the area of target profit that I'll be looking for. Hopefully, I don't know what's going to happen yet, but the market has been pretty wiki, and with all the news, the market has basically been all over the place. With this news spike at 8 o'clock earlier, both ways, and previously we had like the same thing here. So the market has been in an unsteady place, but let's see how this one plays out. You know, tell me what you guys think. You can comment. This is actually my first video, so I mean, feel free to criticize or say whatever it is. Um, let me know how I can make these and tell me if you like it. But thank you. Peace.